Bitcoin Money is a mid-position digital money right now valued at $127.94 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $2,485,393,189, which sort of is genuinely critical. Over the by and large past in every way that really matters, not many years, cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin Money, laid out major areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world, and certainly are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, at this truly specific intersection. The endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin Money to the level at $127.94, where it right now for the most part sits in a by and large huge manner. As currently referenced, BCH in a real sense is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it by possesses the 29th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the kind of metric that not set in stone, by duplicating the especially current cost, by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, in an especially significant manner. On account of Bitcoin Money, the market capitalization in every practical sense remains at $2,485,393,189. The significance of this boundary will truly be in a real sense made sense of later, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Our cost expectation calculation truly is planned so that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the advanced resource, being referred to essentially furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the fundamentally present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily sort of survey the condition of their portfolio and in every practical sense, choose whether or not it actually needs to generally be reconfigured. Our calculation likewise pays in every practical sense exceptional thoughtfulness regarding verifiable information, which fundamentally is all things considered, irreplaceable for the truly right assessment of both kind of current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its by and large present and future bearing in an unpretentious manner. Underneath you will for the most part find fundamentally key extracts of this verifiable information, with the goal that you also could by and large have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market in every practical sense is going in a kind of huge way. Yesterday, on June 20th, BCH sort of was esteemed at $106.62 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Fundamentally recall that cryptographic forms of money especially are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period certainly added up to 20.08% in a significant manner. 7 days prior, on June 14th, Bitcoin Money by and large was exchanged at $105.24 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that basically near its for the most part present position, or so they truly thought. On May 21st, which in every practical sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $114.69. The cost level that generally is at the distance of 11.56% from where it right now stands, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX explicitly are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market capitalization for the most part is another significant fundamentally metric that essentially assists traders with explicitly deciding the notoriety of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities. It's additionally used to especially survey the offer that Bitcoin Money especially holds inside the extremely whole digital currency market, which explicitly is very critical. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization explicitly is fairly straightforward. The coursing supply of the money being referred to for the most part is duplicated by its essentially current cost in an especially large manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH generally remains at $2,485,393,189. Enough to name it the 29th most certainly the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market. Extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on June 20th, the market capitalization of Bitcoin Money most certainly remained at $2,071,002,495 in a quite large manner. 7 days prior, on June 14th, the capitalization of BCH generally was $2,043,679,129. Genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. A month prior, on May 21st, How much essentially capital streaming around this kind of specific market generally added up to $2,224,708,240 win. Exhibiting that Bitcoin money explicitly is a mid-position digital money at present evaluated at $127.94 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $2,485,393,189 in an unobtrusive manner. Most digital currency financial backers in every practical sense stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a really certain cryptographic money and its capacity to generally endure disturbances, which explicitly are the by and large normal event on this exceptionally unstable market in an unpretentious manner. It is certain that the very previously mentioned market capitalization of Bitcoin money permits to truly order it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the generally safe gathering, which basically shows that 7 days prior, on June 14, the capitalization of BCH basically was $2,043,679,129, which truly is genuinely huge. Since we generally have proactively referenced the recipe for working out the market capitalization, it would really be fundamentally proper to give a piece of this report to the inventory of BCH, which is very critical. For in every practical sense, your data, there are 3 kinds of supply for essentially every digital money. The really greatest stock, which certainly implies the quantity of coins that would by and large be created on a kind of specific blockchain all through its presence. The kind of all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the commencement of the venture. The coursing supply, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, in certainly different words, that are overall effectively exchanged on trade stages. The sort of most extreme stockpile of Bitcoin money really is 21,000,000 BCH. The very complete inventory of BCH as of now basically remains at 19,425,894 coins in an exceptionally large manner. The coursing supply of the cryptographic money under survey in a real sense is 19,425,894 BCH in a significant manner. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't sort of be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the especially metric utilized by essentially all digital currency brokers to sort of affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move kind of additional appearance. How for sort of your data? There in a real sense are 3 kinds of supply for practically every digital money. The sort of greatest stock, which all things considered, implies the quantity of coins that would really be created on an especially specific blockchain all through its presence. The by and large all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the origin of the undertaking. The flowing stockpile, which clearly